Hello and welcome to Thamel. How are you feeling?
Finally, we found a place to sit in Little Buddha restaurant. Let's see how.
So guys, we found a place. अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं Thamel में. So we were just walking around in Thamel and we found a place in called Little Buddha Cafe. It was nice. We ordered a Gurkha beer, जो कि must है, और momo and thuppa. बाकी the crowd is not so much because today is Monday. So I think what I have read at जो मैंने सुना था कि सैटरडे और संडे को बहुत भीड़ होता है, पर अभी मंडे को इतना भीड़ नहीं है. पर streets are very empty. The cafe is very cozy and we are sitting here. This is how it looks. And this is the street view where we are sitting. And this is the cafe. Happy? Yes. And this is the Thamel street. So guys, we got our first drink. It's a draft beer. I think it's Gurkha, but it's a lager beer. This one I like it. This was a little dark. What tasty, bhai. Laura, which one did you like?
For me, this
This one, yeah. Let me taste this one. It's okay. This one is much tasty. Very tasty. So guys, ये है हम लोग का खाना. झोल मोमो. Khana. Taste it. Finally, the momo in Nepal. The real momo in Nepal. Not momos, yeah? Only momo. How we call it? Momo or momos?
one momo, two momo.
Yes. And here we have draft beer. Ah, wow. So guys, I'm gonna show you the German way of eating noodles. How Germans eat noodles? ये देखो. This is how they eat. And how we eat? I'm gonna show you how we eat.
You have to go far away because otherwise they will spill on you.
This is how we eat. But I can also eat with my hands.
No.
If I eat like a German.
Don't do
like
it.
I'm doing like a German, yeah?
Let's see if you can do it. Practice, my dear. What are you doing?
Ich weiß nicht.
Failure.
Was ist das? Was ist los? Was ist los mit dir?
You can't do it.
Hello, good morning and welcome back to day 2 of Kathmandu Thamel. So currently we are staying in Thamel. तो आज हम Thamel में थे कल से. तो आज हम निकल रहे हैं. अभी बज रहे हैं दिन सुबह के 8:40 और समथिंग. तो अभी फ़िलहाल प्लान ये है कि हम InDrive ऐप जो कि है नेपाल का ओला और ऊबर वो बुक करके फर्स्ट वी वर प्लानिंग टू गेट अ बाइक और बाइक रेंट करने के लिए समथिंग. बट ठंडा है तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना जस्ट कंफर्टेबली पूरा टूर किया जाए. तो हम InDrive ऐप से और पटाओ ऐप, देयर आर 2 मेजर ऐप्स इन काठमांडू which are running, I think InDrive and Patao. So we are booking with InDrive. Let's see. पहला टाइम है कर रहे हैं जो बुकिंग. How it's gonna be. So I'm gonna book the cab. उसके बाद हम जाएंगे डायरेक्ट पशुपति जी के मंदिर में. उसके बाद फिर देखते हैं दरबार स्क्वायर, पतन दरबार, काफ़ी जगह है क्योंकि वी हैव ओनली 1 day फॉर काठमांडू टू एक्सप्लोर काठमांडू. तो कल हम निकल देंगे हम चितवन और मे बी पोखरा और सफारी. तो बने रही है. बाकी तो वही कि लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट आई वांट टू see how it's gonna be with the first time experience with InDrive or Ola or Uber of Nepal. So let's see you. So guys, this is a scene of outside the पशुपति मात जी के मंदिर के आगे. And here you have so many stores जो आपको बोलेंगे यहाँ से ले लो, यहाँ से ले लो. ये देखो, we have all these stores from where you can buy all the things for the temple. And this is how the front of पशुपतिनाथ द्वार looks like. ये देखो इतना भीड़ है. ये है बस पूरा फ़ोटो खींचने के लिए. यहाँ से आपका एंट्रेंस है बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू टेक अ पिक्चर. और यहाँ से शी वॉज आउटसाइड. या because she was not allowed because she is a foreigner. So
Wrong religion.
wrong religion. I think the foreigners are not allowed here. Only the Hindus or Nepalis. So and
Just Hindu.
only Hindus, Nepalis also, and also the foreigners have to pay 1,000 rupees, Nepali rupees, for the entrance
And
just
you
to
get
see.
a golden ticket.
What you got?
A golden ticket.
Show me.
Ta-da.
So she got this. This is the ticket. It's very big. Look how big it is. This. It's very cute, but as a souvenir, I like it. But we are going to explore now these places, and we will see what we have here. तो ये है मंदिर से आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ जाएंगे तो आपको ये शांति सा प्लेस दिखेगा बिकॉज देयर इज़ वेरी लेस पीपल हियर. सो गाइस अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं मंदिर से थोड़ा सा आगे और ये है वहाँ का व्यू. ब्यूटीफुल. लुक एट दिस. कितने सारे भाई, कितने सारे, 1000 से भी ज़्यादा होंगे. ये देखो गाइस हमें कितने सारे हैं. सो गाइस अभी हम लोग हैं पीछे एकदम जहाँ पर डेड बॉडी को जलाया जाता है. यू कैन सी द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन हियर. ये देखो यहाँ उसका प्रोसेस चल रहा है अभी एंड पीपल आर वॉचिंग इट एंड मोस्टली ओनली द नेपालीज इंडियन पीपल आर अलाउड हियर. बाकी टूरिस्ट लोग जो हैं वो यहाँ पर कोई नहीं है फिलहाल लौरा के. एंड दिस इज द एंट्रेंस एंड यहाँ पर जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है देखो ये पूरा एरिया है यहाँ पर डेड बॉडी को जलाने का चल रहा है पूरा. सो ये है पशुपति से थोड़ा सा आगे आकर वी हैव सो मेनी टेम्पल्स हियर. लुक दैट दिस गाइस. बहुत ही सुंदर.
एंड गाइस जस्ट नाउ वी लेफ्ट फ्रॉम पशुपतिनाथ मंदिर और अभी हम निकल रहे हैं en route towards Patan Darbar Square.
So guys, this is the entrance for the Patan Darbar Square and this is how it looks. So guys, welcome to Patan Darbar Square. This is how it looks. It's usually 12:30 in the afternoon. Look at this guys. It looks so nice. Wow, beauty of Kathmandu. We are in Patan Darbar Square. अभी हम लोग टेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं नेवारी फूड एंड द प्लेस इज सो ऑसम, सो ऑसम. आई थिंक Laura is liking it so much or not. How's the place?
Interesting.
Interesting because it's very small.
Random.
It's very small. Look, that's it. This is the last roof. You stand. Look, this is the last roof, guys. Height ही तक ही है. But the thing is like it's very cozy and I'm gonna show you from the behind the camera. Check this out. Sure. So I'm gonna give you the tour of this small restaurant, cozy Nevari restaurant, and this is the Patan Square Marg. This is the normal road and this is the restaurant. We are in second floor. No smoking zone, no free Wi-Fi. It's very nice for the group of small people. And here we have this. I think we have more space up. So more beautiful. And that's the Darbar Square, main center point of the square. And this is how it looks. Mostly all the restaurants here. And this is the view we have from the restaurant. And that's a view from the restaurant where we are sitting. And look at this flight. Let's zoom in. So guys, I got my drinks and now guess what I got in Nepal. Let's taste this. So guys, this is we have tumba. ये देखो अभी ऐसा होता है tumba. पूरा ड्राई चुका है क्योंकि मैंने पानी पूरा पी लिया है इसका भी. Now I have to put more water in this one. This is all seeds. I think I'm to buy this for my home. And here we have the food. How was Tumba?
Huh?
How was Tumba?
I don't have a word for it. But
Okay.
you can try.
Okay.
You will
Best
not
of-
drop down dead.
Best of luck with your food. Show me your food. Taste. Have a taste. Have a bite. Good. Perfect. So this is the process.
Enjoy.
और यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं काठमांडू स्क्वायर, दरबार स्क्वायर के अंदर. दिस इज सेकंड दरबार स्क्वायर. वी हैव 2 or 3 दरबार स्क्वायर्स. Night scenes in Darbar Square of Kathmandu. Very crowded, very crowded. Guys, this was all things which was affected by the earthquake. भूकंप आया था जब देखो ऊपर टूट गया था. अभी तक they are still in constructions. This one, this one, this one, and here also. And here we have one small temple. Look at this. Crazy. जय काली माँ. तो दोस्तों ये हमारा काली माता का मंदिर. तो the only Kali मंदिर where she is smiling. Look at this. So guys, अभी हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन में जो कि है खाने का कार्यक्रम. And this is our third restaurant we are trying in Kathmandu Square. This is second square after Patan Darbar Square. And let's see, the place looks very nice. As you can see, the vibe is very nice. We have nice music. And let's see, hopefully the food will be also nice.
So guys, I just got a Newari thali for Laura, but the reaction of Laura was very, very good. Let me show you what she got.
What is it, Laura?
I don't know yet.
It's a Newari thali, not very typical Newari thali, but it's thali we ordered so that she can taste the real veggies of Nepal, because we don't want to eat burger or something, because we already had this Gurkha beer. Yeah, it was 4.9% alcohol, but nothing at all. Yeah, how is it? I think perfect. It's healthy, not oily, and good for you. और नेपाल में आके सेकवा नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया. सो जस्ट नाउ आई ऑर्डर टू सेकवा, चिकन सेकवा. उसके बाद ये मिला है साइड डिश में. आधे घंटे बाद आया भाई. लेट्स सी हाउ इज इट.
Just try. It's like cornflakes.
Yeah, it's like a cornflakes. I don't know how to eat, but let's try.
Nearby
I have
her house.
mountains.
I mean, nearby your house. Which is
Also.
not. It's visible from your house.
Yeah.
Okay. But anyways, we are here again for Laura's veg fried momo because दिन से कुछ खाया नहीं था, तो आप यहाँ पर आ गए हम लोग. But the day was very nice, and I ordered one more tomba here in Tamil. So I'm waiting for this. So let's see how it's gonna be. Second tomba round in Tamil. The first was in Patan Darbar Square. अभी हाँ, और आज का ये करके हम लोग आज कल भी रुकेंगे एक और नाइट तमिल में, because earlier we decided to go home tomorrow, but today just now we decided that tomorrow we will be staying again one more night so that we will explore more part of Kathmandu. See you abhi.